Hello everyone, welcome to Lakshmi Chaya. If you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button below and the bell icon to get the notification of my new uploads. So today we are going to prepare one of the tasty and everyone's favorite recipe, that is pizza. That too without any cheese and without any yeast or any baking powder and without any oven. Okay, here are the ingredients list needed for our recipe. So let's get into the recipe. First, let's see how to prepare the pizza base. Okay, for that here I am taking 1 cup of wheat flour. To this adding some salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, now I am adding around 3 spoons of curd. This is fresh curd. Okay. To this I am adding just 2 teaspoons of oil. Any cooking oil you can use here. Okay, and then goes in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, then mix it very well. Okay, lemon juice is very important here as we are not using any baking powder. So lemon juice will help to activate the baking soda. Okay, then let's make it a soft dough using water gradually. As we have curd, we may not require much water. So I am using almost 1/4 cup of water I have used here. Just knead it very well around for 8 minutes. So now our dough is ready. Just apply some oil over it and cover it and let it rest for nice 20 minutes. So now our dough is ready and let's prepare our next sauces required for the pizza. Okay, first I am preparing here the red sauce. For that, in a pan, I have added just 1/2 cup of water. To this, some ginger, some garlic and 2 onions and around 3 roughly chopped tomatoes. Okay, just these are the 4 ingredients needed now. We have to boil it nicely for around 10 minutes till our onions and tomatoes become nice and soft. Okay, you can also use the tomato ketchup in the place of this pizza sauce, but this pizza sauce really tastes very good. Okay, now once it is cooked and we have to cool it down. See, now once it is cooled, let's transfer it to a mixer jar and grind it to a smooth paste. Okay, now our grinded paste is now ready. Now once again we have to cook it with the spices. For that, in one pan I am just adding 1 small teaspoon of oil, just very little oil, and add the grinded mixture. Okay, now let's add some required amount of salt and the chili powder. Chili powder according to your taste you can add here. And here I am adding 1/2 teaspoon of pepper powder. If you have oregano or any mixed herbs, you can add it at this point. If you don't have, pepper also works very good. Okay, now let's cook it for around 5 to 6 minutes. See, it seems it is cooked properly. So our pizza sauce is now ready. Okay, so now let's see how to prepare the second sauce. It is the white sauce. Yes, this is our alternative for the cheese we are using here. Okay, for that I have taken 1 spoon of ghee, or you can use butter here. To this I am adding 2 spoons of maida or the all-purpose flour. Just mix it. And next we'll add some milk and some water. Okay, so we have to add around 1/2 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of water. Okay, and mix it nicely so that there should not be any lumps in the paste. Okay, here I am using a whisk to mix it. Now let's add some salt into it and again cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, this is our replacement for the cheese in our pizza. Okay, this is perfect for anyone who don't want to add the cheese in the pizza and still want that cheesy texture in it. You can say it is like a healthier version replacement for cheese. See, now our pizza sauce, white sauce is ready. Okay, so we now have both the sauces ready. Now we'll grease up a pan. That is, I'm using a steel plate to prepare our pizza here. You can use any plate or any non-stick pan, anything you have. Let's grease it and keep it aside. And now let's come back to our dough. So it has been resting for around 20 minutes now. Now here just knead it 2 to 3 times. And then we have to add one more secret ingredient here. Yes, that is some baking soda and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Yes, this is the alternative we are using in the place of baking powder. Okay. Okay, just add this mixture to the dough and once again knead it nicely for 3 to 4 minutes so that everything, all the soda and the lemon juice gets combined with the dough. You can prepare this using maida also. All-purpose flour is also will work fine. But here today I am making it with the wheat flour. Okay, now our dough is ready. Now let's start rolling it. Okay, first I am taking one portion of the dough. See, my preparation gave me around 3 medium-sized pizzas. Okay, so this is my first pizza I am preparing. Just roll it gently. You can keep the thickness as you wish, but we prefer like a medium thick pizza. So you can see the thickness here. Okay, now it is ready, and let's transfer it to the greased plate, which we had earlier greased and kept it ready, right? Okay, spread it throughout the plate evenly. Lightly press on the edges. Now it's a time for us to arrange the other things on the pizza. Okay, that is, first we will be adding the sauces we prepared. First goes in the red sauce. So spread it evenly. And next will be our white sauce. You can see the sauce has thickened after it becomes cool. If you want, once again you can make it like a thin paste. Okay, so fine. Next will be our veggies. I've just taken some onions, some eggplants and some tomatoes. Okay, you can use any vegetable of your choice. Like you can add green capsicum, yellow capsicum, red capsicum or corn. And you can add the basils here. Okay, okay, I am adding just few vegetables which are currently available with me. Okay, these eggplants are nothing but kind of brinjal, but they don't have the proper seeds like our normal brinjal. Okay, once we are done with the vegetables, brush up some oil on the sides of the plate. Okay, on the sides or edges of the pizza. This is very important. This will help our pizza not to stick to the pan. Okay, today I am making it in a kadai. The first pizza goes into kadai. So I have taken some salt in a kadai and placing one bowl as a stand for it. Okay, and here I am covering it and let us preheat it for 5 minutes. Okay, cover it properly. Okay, it's been now 5 minutes. So our kadai is now preheated. Now it's ready for the pizza to go into the pan. Okay. Place it carefully and cover it and cook it on a low flame for around 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, here is my second pizza. I am making it in a cooker. Yes, you can also make in cooker. For that, as you can see, I have not added any salt. Just I am placing a stand in it. And here goes in the second pizza. Okay, this is a smiley pizza made by my sister-in-law, who is eager to take the picture here. Okay, now let's cover it without any gasket and without any whistle. Okay, be careful for the cooker, no gasket and no whistle. Okay, it's been 40 minutes now and let's take it out. Yes, our first pizza is ready. It's cooked very well. Take it out carefully. Yes. Then let's check our cooker pizza. Wow, yes, it has also come very nice. You can see the sides have become nice and crisp and the middle will be obviously soft. Okay, this is my third pizza. Okay, I had just kept it in a normal small frying pan, again without any salt. It also took me around 30 minutes. We can say it is a cheese overloaded pizza, but without any cheese. So here are our 3 pizzas ready. The healthy, easy and without any cheese, no yeast, no cheese pizza, no baking powder, which is the best suitable pizza for this lockdown, is now ready to serve. See, since we added the oil on the sides, the pizza came out easily out from the pan. Cut it on all the four into 4 pieces, and you can see the pizza has turned out so yummy and so delicious. You can see the crust also, it is nice and brown. Fine friends, I hope you all like this video. Please do try and let me know how it turned out to you in the comment section below. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.